Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Broccoli Pro, and today's video I will unboxing my first Roblox toy. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so first we have a mystery box. I don't know. Okay. But I already opened it and it gave me this toy. I don't know what's this. Okay, let me see. What is this? I open it and we got the collection list. A hat. A TV hat. A TV hat and wait. Oh yes. And it's an exclusive code. It just says scratch off here. Okay, we'll redeem it later. But yeah, let me see what is this toy code. Okay, let me see. What is it? Okay. What is this? My goodness. Okay, mystery boxes. Okay, it is sim builder. Okay, where is it? It's here. See, it's here. It says sim builder. It's the same sim builder. Okay, the name is sim builder. Okay, next. Okay, I'm going to work this first. Okay, this and then this. Okay, there we go. And then the second, I want to put this on. Put this TV head on. Okay, let's try it. Okay, first I'll do this, and then oh, it fits. Okay. Let's just put it on. Okay, there we go. Oh, I am a TV head. Okay, let's put it off. Okay, put this on, and then this is a bit nice. There we go. I think it's there we go, and then yeah, and then I think we will just redeem this exclusive item, I think. Okay, let's redeem it first. Okay, I will be back when we're on Roblox page. Okay guys, we're on Roblox page right now, and we will redeem the exclusive item. Okay, let's scratch this off first. Okay, wait. Okay, it's scratching. Oh yeah, this is the code. Okay, wait. Okay, we'll scratch it. Take a few minutes. Okay, let me scratch it first. This. Oh yeah, this is the code. Okay, let's use the code. Okay, the code is 56211951 and then 39 and then 67. Okay, let's click redeem, and then okay, verification. Okay, verification. Okay, I'm a human. I'm not a robot. I'm a human. I'm not a bot. Okay, let's finish this. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this. Okay, I forgot. Okay. this, and then finish it very quick. Okay. Then this, and then okay, and then finish it. Good. Okay. Nice. Okay. Then you have successfully redeemed Sim Breaker Hat for Roblox. Okay, few items. Oh my god. Sim Breaker. What is this? What is this? Okay, let's try it on. Let's try it on it. Okay, let's try it on first. Okay, we have this, and then we're gonna take this on, maybe. Okay, let's try it on. Take it on. Oh my god, don't fall. Okay, let's try this off, and then take this off, and then take me. Where is it? My rabbit headphones off. Where's my rabbit headphones? Okay, head. Where's my rabbit? Ah, there is it. Let's take it off. Okay, let's take it off. Take it off. Okay, take it off. Oh my god. Wait. Take it off. There. Wait. Let's refresh and refresh. Hang on. Refresh it. Why it's still on? Why it's still on? I don't know why it's still on. Maybe this is a glitch for you guys didn't know. You didn't know it's, oh my god. It's still on. Oh my god. Wait. Let me see. Oh my god. Never mind. It's still on. Okay, that's maybe I will end up the video here. Make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. Okay. See you guys later in the next video. Bye. Bye.